I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, no.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hi, I am Adeline, and look who is taking a vacation right at the beginning of the year. We do such spontaneous things, guys, and that's why you need to subscribe to the channel. So subscribe if you have not yet, okay? So today we're going to talk about something that you probably didn't know that you need to know, and that's fear of success. Yeah, you heard me right, and I know you might be wondering, like, wait, what? Isn't success a good thing? It is, but trust me, there's a little more to it, and that's what you're going to uncover in this video. So sit down and let's dive into the topic. So let's be real. Most of the time, we're all out here stressing about failing. But have you ever been on the brink of something great and then suddenly thought that, oh no, what if this actually works? Cue internal panic, right? Wait, I did not plan for this success. I was just mentally preparing myself for failure. So, why does that happen? Well, success brings pressure. Suddenly people expect more from you. You can't just chill anymore, and it's like, congrats, you have reached your goal. Now do that forever. No biggie, right? And don't even get me started on performance anxiety. One day you're killing it, and the next day you're like, oh, what have I peaked already? Is it all downhill from here? And then there's also this whole change thing. You're all comfy in your normal routine. The same old job, your same Netflix queue, and same favorite snacks. Then success shows up like, surprise, time to level up. And you're thinking, do I really want this? What if I succeed? And now I have to be an adult or something? And of course, let's talk about imposter syndrome. And I'm using a little bit of huge words, but all these things do play a big role. The fun little voice in your head that's like, psst, they're gonna find out that you have no clue what you're doing. Like, thanks brain. Super helpful. But seriously, you could have a wall full of trophies and still feel like you have tricked the world into thinking that you know stuff. Plot twist, you actually do know a lot, but it takes a lot of time to build confidence on that. But then I have a happy news for you. Like, each and every problem have its own solution. We're gonna find out a solution for this also. So how do we handle this whole fear of success thing? First of all, acknowledge it. Like, yeah, I am freaking out a little, but that's cool because everyone feels this way sometimes. We just don't talk about it because we are too busy pretending that we have got our lives together in Instagram. And the next one is to redefine success in a way that doesn't feel like it's gonna send you into a panic mode every time you succeed in something. It doesn't have to mean becoming a millionaire overnight, which I don't think anybody would say no to it. It can also be as simple as hitting a small goal and being like, yeah, I did that. Treat yourself to a victory snacks or a little bit of nap or do a little self-care kind of thing or go for a ride because you have earned it. And please do remember, success doesn't mean perfection. No one's asking you to be a superhero unless you want to, and in this case, let me also know because I need tips. The key is to keep moving forward, even if that means you're sometimes just crawling towards your goal, like almost there. But remember, progress is still a progress. If you're sprinting, running, walking, or crawling, no matter what it is, you're still making a little bit of effort and moving forward towards your goal. So, what do you guys think? Ever been afraid of success? Let me know in the comments. And I promise there's gonna be no judgment if you have secretly sabotaged yourself to avoid responsibility. Been there. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends who might need a little reminder that it's okay to actually want to succeed. And of course, hit that subscribe button to join our little fam. Alright, that's it for today, and thank you so much for hanging out with me. And I can't believe it's already 2 weeks into 2025. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!